Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to download a YouTube video on your phone. And now let's start right in. Now to download a YouTube video on your phone, first open up the YouTube app itself. And guys, after opening your YouTube app, search for or go to the video which you want to download on your phone. I'll be going with this one video, guys. So now in order to download the video on your phone, you can see there's the like, share, save buttons available for us. Scroll those or swipe those buttons or the options to the left, and you can find the download button available for us over here, guys, when we have slided the option. Now in order to download that video, simply tap on the download, and you will be able to download the video according to you by choosing a quality from YouTube. And after choosing a quality, you can see the download button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on that download button and that video will be downloaded on your phone. And there, this is how you download the YouTube video on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.